I wish you could make the reservation for the equipment, like the laser cutter, 20 hours in advance. It being 24 hours means if you come in the day before and run out of time, you cannot come back in the next day unless you luck out with open hours, and I've tried that. It would be nice if you could make the reservation day of, because suppose I don't know if I'm gonna get here or not. Like, what if it rains and I get all wet? It would be nice if you could check day of if equipment is taken, but the 24-hour rule hides everything. So the laser cutter for this day shows nothing, but I do have a reservation. It's doing a shallow cut for the text right now. I was conflicted about posting a library video, but then I found this on the library's Makerspace internet site. There you go, AMH. You can still read. Sort of. The library's plastic 3D printer manual needs a little more information about slicing. The manual doesn't mention slicing because I'm guessing automatic slicing was done earlier. A setting change or an update makes clicking a slice button needed now. That should be added to the manual. Ordering stuff is a better option for the projects that I'm working on. It took many hours to figure this out, but I'm not the brightest bulb in the toolbox.